Team mar Moranga Seal mani league maduong mar FKF oramo ni Hussein Mohamed madhi chung negi romo maduong ma higa ka higa mar FKF. Maendi en kata kobedo ni FKF nondiko ne Seal ka wacho negi ni Hussein ok nyal bedo jachung margi ni mar ok en apis mar club no. Moranga Seal oramo ne FKF ok onego donjre yiero margi mar jochung.
So I want to set the record clear that my appointment, or Moranga Seal's appointment of Hussein Mohamed, still stands, and Hussein Mohamed will turn up on Saturday for the AGM, unless he declines to attend. But as far as I am concerned, he is our delegate for the meeting, and no one is going to change that.
It is definitely not lost to us that my presence and my football activities recently have sent jitters and worrying some, but that is digressing. I have not declared I'm running for any seat anywhere, and I can challenge anybody to show me where I've declared I'm running for anything. But however, regardless of what the political environment is like, it does not entitle anybody to sort of intimidate, coerce, blackmail, threaten any of us.